Okay, friends, today is the day I teach you guys how to tag contacts, deals, and organizations in Pipedrive. So first things first, you can tag things by using our custom fields feature, and you'll find our custom fields feature by going to Settings, Customize Fields. So there's basically two customized fields you use for tagging. The first is a single option field, and the second is a multiple option field. I'll show you how to do one of both. So today what I'm going to do is I want to create an industry tag and a lead source tag. So I want to be able to sort and filter by the referral type, where I got my lead from, and then I also want to be able to sort and filter by the industry. So are they in the tech industry, are they construction, XYZ. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to this People tab because I want this tag associated with contacts in my Pipedrive, right? So if you wanted it associated with deals or organizations, you would click those tabs. So first thing we do, we click Add a Field. So this one will make a multiple option field, and we'll call this one Lead Source. So we have the web, referral, that one, trade shows, so there we go. So this is our lead source. So where they came from, we'll save that. Okay, so when you do lead source, you'll see you have these things show and add new dialog and important. If you click yes to show and add new dialog, that means when you go to add a new contact, you'll be prompted to add this lead source. Important means the field will always show up on the details page, and we'll show you a little bit more about that. So for this lead source, I definitely wanted to add a deal dialog, so yes, and let's make it important. Okay, so now we're going to make another industry one. This one's going to be single option. So name of the field is industry. So we have construction, technology, what's our hints? So there we go. So now we have a single option field and we have a multiple option field, and both are going to be used to tag. Just to give you guys like a little taste of what that looks like. So these are both add new deals. So we go to contacts, people, and here we are, we're adding a new person. Adding a new person, and we're going to call this guy Jeff Saturday. This is just some garbage field I have. And then when we scroll down, you'll see we have the options to add a lead source and an industry. So for lead source, this guy came from the web. He was also referred to us, so this is a multiple option field, so I can put multiple options there. And his industry is technology. So we have Jeff Saturday. He came to us from the web, referral, and his industry is technology. Right? Cool. So we save that. And now where this gets really interesting and where you can have fun with this is basically you can come up here, create a new filter. So now you want to see where all your leads are coming from. So what you could do is person lead source is web and referral. So, and there we go. We have Jeff Saturday. Perfect. So now the other thing that's really cool with these tags, if you guys want to see the industry really quick, we could do that one as well. So person lead source is web and referral. Also person industry is, I think we told them technology, so we press save, and there we go. We have Jeff Saturday still here. So, you know, the idea is that you have a lot of contacts in your database, and they're all tagged. The next interesting thing you could do with this is you can actually do imports, so you can upload a lot at once, and you don't have to do it one at a time. So to do that, we would go to Settings, Import Data. You'll see I have this nice little Excel spreadsheet that I set up. So contact name, here are my contacts, contact email, here are their email address, and contact lead source. So web, referral, trade show, contact industry, finance, technology, construction. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and import these guys with their tag. Documents, import leads. So there is one important step when you import, and that's mapping the single option and multiple option tabs. So here we are, we're importing. So you'll see this one lead source, and it says this file or this field contains unmapped values. Click to resolve. So now we click that, and here we go. We can map these specific values. So now you're telling Pipedrive, hey, like You know, I call it web in my Excel spreadsheet. You call it web in Pipedrive because I made that custom field and called it web. Let's make sure these guys are on the same page. So we do that, and then we just simply import, and you'll see, boom, lead source, web, referral. Now, a little complex thing. So we know lead source is a multiple option field. So in this case, if you wanted to do web and referral and trade show for one of them, what you would do in your Excel spreadsheet is you would come here and you go web, comma, trade show, comma, referral. And that will tell Pipedrive, hey, pick all of these guys up when you go to add it to the contact. And that's basically it for adding tags. So I hope you guys enjoyed.